Hey there. I hope it's okay that I kind of troubleshoot this with you. I just wanted to show you a way to change the course end date and then give you a second solution. Just because it might be nice to get this out of the way for Leah for sure, and also for you. I hate to have incompletes, and students rarely complete them, is my experience too. I mean, I'd make sure she does, but there are a few other ideas I had. So this is my Canvas. So if you go into your Canvas and go to settings, just at the
What are you
very,
doing?
hold on, Tay. Hold on. We're on vacation, and where's settings? I'm gonna
What are
pause
you
for a
doing?
second.
What are you talking?
Sorry, I had a toggle thing. So it's at the very bottom, settings. And then right here, you should be able to change the end date. This is an old class, so it's showing gray, but right here you should be able to change the end date. And then there's another thing I want to show you. If you go to faculty and staff forms, I know you do have a deadline for your grades. But if you can open the test for Leah and maybe I mean, I think you have till Tuesday, right? I think usually you have till Monday, the end, 48 hours after the end of the class. And let me check your end. All right, I just checked. So your end date's 7:30. And so today is the day that grades are due, but you can turn in a grade for Leah, whatever grade she has, an F or whatever, and change, as long as you can change this end date, turn the grade in for her, and then you go to that page with the let's see, where did it go? Sorry, the faculty and staff forms, and you go to instructor grade correction, and you can just say, whatever explanation you give is fine. This will be approved. So that's another way. It's probably even easier than giving her the incomplete. It's probably like an easier process, and it would be certainly better for Leah that she doesn't have to remember. I mean, if you have to submit, so you actually do have to submit a form for an incomplete as well. So either way, you have to submit a form. Where's the incomplete form? Request for incomplete. Let's see. Incomplete grade. You have to submit this form for an incomplete, or you can just do an instructor grade correction. And if you open it up and give her like today to do it, then she'll get it done, and the truth is, I always have these situations, and I'll turn in all the grades except for like that one, and then I'll just go back the very next day and turn it in. And then I did that this summer I was taught in the first session, and I didn't get an email. In the spring and fall, I'll usually get emails because I do this every single semester. Now, I'm not suggesting you do it every semester at all, but one day of giving her a 1-day extension by not putting in any grade for her in PiratesNet is gonna go unnoticed, I believe. But either way, you have to turn in a form, and anyway, just let her know.